Hi, this is Amber with WaveRez, and today we are going to go over another calendar control, and this one pairs well with our previous calendar control, ticket control. This one is called OpenClose Tickets. So if we go to Settings, Calendar Controls, and we find OpenClose Tickets is down here. Now ticket control is what we previously covered, and that allows you to edit pricing and stop sells and a few other ticket adjustments. But OpenClose Tickets essentially adjusts stop sells. So it's a quicker way to do stop sells than using ticket control. So on OpenClose Tickets, it's differing in ticket control as all of the edits that you make for OpenClose Tickets will be made on this screen. It will not pull a batch update on the second screen where you go to make the edits and type in what you need. It is simply all done on this screen. So you'll make the exact selection for the things that you want to change here, and when you click edit, it will say data saved. So we're going to go ahead and do that as a demonstration. We're just going to select an activity. We want to close out half-day rentals for these 3 times. So for instance, if you don't want your 4-hour, aka half-day rentals departing at these particular times in the middle of the day, which is very common, you could select these times in the middle of the day and go ahead and select that half-day rental. Make sure Close Tickets is selected. Pick the date range that you want to close this through, and you can do it through a large date range if you'd like. And then once you have everything on this screen completed, go ahead and double check your work, that you have the correct activity selected, the exact schedules that you want to close or open if you're trying to open them, the ticket or tickets that you want to close, and the date range that you want to do this through. Once you make sure everything is exactly as it should be, go ahead and click Edit. Now it will say data saved. You see it didn't go to that second screen with batch update. It just simply makes the edits on this screen. And this is very quick and handy when you're trying to build your schedule at the beginning of the year for the entire year, because you'll likely have different tickets available at different times through different parts of the year. So you can make those changes from here by stop selling them because they are all open for every time by default.